Good morning, everybody. It is March 3rd, and here's your plan of attack. If you're unaware, it's my method or how I am planning on trading 0 days to expiration SPX options. Basically scalping credit spreads and also trading ES futures. All right, so it does look like the anchored VWAP to the swing low held as support. Right? And now I do have break trigger above that high, could cause a rally to at least what I am thinking maybe the daily 21 EMA. There's a few things in the way, basically. As you can imagine, the market's a little bit broken at the moment, so it does have work to do. So big picture, looking down, and then we'll narrow it in. So big picture is we came down to that anchored VWAP, right? That comes right here. Making high, we're hitting the daily 50, and right here I do have a break above. It will create a trigger long to the upside, but we are also rallying right up into this red line right here. That is the 3-month point of control for the last 3 months, 3 months prior to this. And so price may slow down here and then hit the daily 21 EMA. That's kind of like the upward target. But I do like the bullish scenario today. ISM numbers do come out later today at 10, so 30 minutes after the open. FOMC members speaking in tentative, a Fed monetary policy report. So maybe some volatility coming in. All that being said is I will not be placing a day trade until at least after 10 a.m., 30 minutes after the open. So yeah, let's talk about then how we want to trade this. Okay, so come over here. This is my weekly point of controls and volume profiles. What I want to do is draw your attention to how we flush lower, we reclaimed the bear market point of control, we tested the weekly VWAP a bunch of times, and now we're above this week's point of control for the week. This pink area is last week's point of control. So if we do break the 50, this also lines up with the 3-month point of control. So this is where the area I'm expecting price to kind of at least stall out, and that's about 40.20. And you got to remember that 40.25 is the previous high level. That's been resistance all week. All right, so that's big picture. Now let's narrow it down how we look to trade it. All right. Time for the good stuff. All right, so the market's obviously rallying. We do have a 30-minute squeeze going higher. The high lows up on the high end above 80. Everything is looking bullish at the moment. You don't really need a whole lot to prove that. So how do I look to trade it? And this is going to be 30 minutes after the open. So bullish scenario, my green color. I would like price to come down, pull back, and then hit the VWAP and 30-minute 21 EMA, and then we spike up. And then be cautious around the 50-day SMA, but up here is kind of like my upward bullish target. Hard to write with a mouse, don't judge me. Basically up here at 40.25, and that's where I expect price to slow down, right? So it's a simple buy the dip scenario if everything stays positive. Now, what if the market doesn't like what it said? Price will probably still up here, break down, oscillate, break down again, rally, hit the 30-minute 21 EMA and VWAP, and then back down. And then my downward target that I want to be mindful of is the bear market point of control, which is at, let me erase that because I blocked it, is at, so bam, bear market point of control is at 39.72, and there's also the hourly 50 EMA right there. So it's kind of like that's our sandbox, if you will, that we could place these trades in. I'll play either one, but I do think the bullish scenario is the high probability safe play, and then pushing up here towards the daily 21 EMA seems like the right idea, but be mindful of the resistance that we're running into. So that's pretty much it. Hope you found it helpful, and if you did, go ahead and like and tell your friends about me. But everyone have a great day. Enjoy your weekend and honor your risk. And I will see you again on Monday. Take care, everybody.